Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Ubuntu Server 24.04.1 LTS version on VMware Workstation. First, download by going to Ubuntu official website, that is ubuntu.com. Hit enter, then click on Get Ubuntu, then select the server, then click on Get Ubuntu Server. See here, we have the latest LTS version of Ubuntu Server. LTS stands for long-term support. Okay, so we can click on download. It will download ISO file, or if you want to download using torrent file, you have to click on alternative downloads. Okay, or if you want to see the older versions like 22.0 for server, scroll down. See here, we have the 22.0 for server edition. Okay, so see here, these are torrent file information. This is the latest one. So click on download 24.04.1 LTS version, and its size is 2.6 gigabytes. Click on download. See, wait a moment, it is going to download. See, download started and its size is 2.6 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded Ubuntu Server 24.04.1 live server ISO file. Cancel it. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. If you want to install VMware Workstation on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and you can install VMware Workstation Pro for free on Windows or Linux operating systems. See here, I have the VMware Workstation Pro. Now click on Create a new virtual machine or File and select New Virtual Machine. Both are same. Then click on Next. Then select the installer disk image file. Then browse for the downloaded ISO file. Go to path where you have the downloaded ISO file. See here, I have the Ubuntu 24.04.1 live server ISO file. Select it and click on Open. Then click on Next. Then here we have to provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving UBS Noble 24.04.1 VM, and select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on Browse, then select the path where you have the enough space. Then click on OK. Then click on Next. Then here we have to provide virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. It is up to you. So click on Next. See, by default selected memory as 4 gigabytes. If you want to customize or change any of these options, you have to click on Customize Hardware. You can also change these options once you click on Finish. Don't select this power on this virtual machine after creation. Why? Because if you select this one, you won't be able to modify these options. And select this one and click on Finish. Now, still if you want to modify the virtual machine settings, click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings, or right click and select Settings, or select it and VM and Settings. All three options are same. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on Power on this virtual machine. Now use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install Ubuntu Server, and hit enter. Now see here, use up, down and enter keys to select the language. So use up and down arrows and select the language and hit enter. See here, installer update available. Version 24.10.1 of the installer is now available. Okay, the currently running is 24.08.1. So I don't want, so select continue without updating and hit enter. Keyboard configuration, I am going with English US only. Then select here done or back. So select done and hit enter. See here, we have to select the type of installation. See, if you want to change the options, you have to use the tab or up and down arrows. Okay, so see here we have the Ubuntu Server or Ubuntu Server minimized. Ubuntu Server is the full featured option. So I'm going with Ubuntu Server. Then additional options, search for the third-party drivers. If you want to select this option, just bring the cursor there and give the space bar from your keyboard and give the tab and come to done and hit enter. Wait a moment, it is going to populate the IP address. See, this will be the IP address of the Ubuntu server virtual machine. Okay, then select done and hit enter. Proxy address, I don't have anything, so keep it as blank and done. See, now it is testing the mirror location. Okay, so select done and hit enter. Now storage configuration, I want to use entire disk. Okay, so select it, go to done and hit enter. See, this is the storage configuration information. If you want to reset, select the reset, or if you want to go with these settings, select done and hit enter. This is just confirmation, select continue. Now we have to create or set up user. So I'm giving user full name as R2 schools, then server name or host name, both are same. So I'm giving UBS Noble. Noble is the code name for the 24.04 VM. Then pick a username. I'm giving username also same as like user full name. Then we have to provide the password for this user. Then confirm the same. Then use the tab and select done and hit enter. See here, upgrade to Ubuntu Pro. By default it is not selected. So select the skip for now and continue. If you want to install OpenSSH server, just use the spacebar and come to done and hit enter. Third party drivers, so select continue and hit enter. See, these are the popular snaps in the server environment. If you want to select any one of them, select by using up and down arrows and give the spacebar. If you want to unselect, then again press spacebar. Then select done and hit enter. Once we hit enter, it will start the installation of the Ubuntu Server 24.04.1 on VMware Workstation. Okay, hit enter. See, installation has been started. This may take time, so I am pausing this video, and at the end it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will connect to Ubuntu Server. Then we will perform the post installation steps. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Thank you. See, installation complete. So use the tab and come to reboot now. But don't do that. Before rebooting, right click on this virtual machine, settings, then go to CD DVD, then unselect both these check boxes. Then click on OK. Then click on yes. Then hit enter. See, if you got this error, no need to worry. Just power off this one, then start it again. Now provide the username that we have created. Provide the password. If you want to release the cursor, just press Alt Control from your keyboard. See here, R2 School is the username and UBS Noble VM is the host name. Even we can also verify by hitting host name. See, this is the host name. Okay. And also see here, it populated the information about this server. ifconfig to find the IP address. See, we are unable to find. See, command ifconfig not port. So sudo apt install net-tools. Hit enter. Confirm the same. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. Now run ifconfig. See, we got the same IP. Control A. You can also get the IP address by running a command ipaddr. See, this is the IP address 192.168.106.181. Now verify the version of the Ubuntu that we have installed. more/etc os-release. See, we have installed Ubuntu 24.04.1 and its code name is Noble. Okay. The first step after connecting is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update && sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Then type and hit enter. See, this may take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Ubuntu Server 24.04.1 on VMware Workstation. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.